The National Pan-Hellenic Council, affectionately known as the Divine Nine, is composed of the following member organizations: Alpha Phi Alpha Fraternity Incorporated, Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated, Kappa Alpha Psi Fraternity Incorporated, Omega Psi Phi Fraternity Incorporated, Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated, Phi Beta Sigma Fraternity Incorporated, Zeta Phi Beta Sorority Incorporated, Sigma Gamma Rho Sorority Incorporated, and Iota Phi Theta Fraternity Incorporated. Fraternity and sorority life at Sam Houston State University seeks your help to dedicate an NPHC Plaza to the Divine Nine.
An NPHC Plaza means an area to express ourselves.
We get to preserve our culture, celebrate our heritage, and empower future generations.
A place to connect and celebrate our success.
Collaboration and Greek unity.
Community and belonging.
Take part in the legacy of Sam Houston State University by donating to the NPHC Plaza today.